What's going on, my marketers? I want to show you today how to pull a report on all of your creatives inside of your ads manager, and that way you can check different things like click-through rate and see which one is getting you the most clicks. You can sort by ROAS. It's just a little bit different way to see it other than the standard ads manager. So let me get into it so you can see what I'm talking about. I just noticed this is something new, at least for my business manager, my ad account. When you're in here and you're looking at the account overview section, which is this little icon right here, it pulls up different information for you than the regular ads manager dashboard, which would be more of like this one here where you can see all the campaigns and ad sets and things like that, right? So if we go to account overview, I noticed it's something here, go to creative reporting. So this is what it looks like when you go to creative reporting. Pretty cool. All right, so you can see here that you can sort by click-through rate, cost per result, impressions, ROAS, a lot of different things. But I just wanted to show you one example of one of the creatives that was working really well, and it gives me an easy overview of everything here, like a nice bar graph. I noticed that this particular video right here was doing very well with click-through rate, so 4.84% click-through rate on a conversion campaign. It's getting us close to 7 or above ROAS in some cases with some audiences. So it makes sense. This is the one that's getting the most clicks, where I'm also getting the most conversions out of it. So I analyzed it a little bit, and you can see one of the things that stands out from a lot of the other creatives that we've been doing is that this creative here shows a real person, up close and personal review testimonial from this lady here that really is only 37 seconds long. And the only thing that we did to it to edit it in any sort of way is that we added these captions so that people can follow along even if they're watching the video on silence, which happens a lot. That's it. It's 37 seconds long, which is one of the elements that makes this work. She just talks about her experience, her wins from using the product. She really only shows the product one time throughout the whole video, and it's not even that much. You can see right there. So that's the only time that she shows the product here. Other than that, it's not like it's a pitch creative or anything like that. It's just a real genuine testimonial, user generated content. These are working really well. You can see 370 comments, 477 shares. So in the comments, you'll see that us as a page, we're going in there and we're engaging with all of the comments coming in. So you want to always do that, which increases your reach, and in turn will increase your click-through rate as well, because we always put links in the comments and things like that, and people go in there and click on those links as well. But yeah, I just wanted to show you here. If you don't see it by going to the same section here that I just showed you, which is the account overview, what you can do is just go to your ads manager /creative_reporting. And if you add that to the end of your business manager URL, like I'm showing here, it should pull up this report for you. And that way you can analyze all of your different creatives. Let's look at one more thing here. Purchase ROAS, let's say. All right, so if I sort by ROAS, I could see that this one is still the top video giving me the ROAS, and then I got a couple other different ones on here. So I can dive deep into these and analyze it a little bit more. Again, I know you could do that with the ads manager. It's just nice to be able to see it sometimes in different perspective like this. You know, it's just nice to see, like, you know, okay, I have 35 different ones that are from 0 to 5.44 ROAS. How many, you know, in total creatives do I have that are having this crazy high ROAS? Well, just 2. And also, who knows how much they spent? You know, if you get a sale after spending $5, then you're going to get a really high ROAS, right? But then you dive into there and you make sure that what the data is showing you. So just wanted to show this to you guys. Make use of this, look at your data, and base your decisions on this type of data. Click-through rates, ROAS, what's going to get you the most optimization. If you got any questions, let me know in the comments. I'll make more videos like this.